everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your own modeling dough using only conditioner and cornstarch. You're going to use about 1 part conditioner for 2 parts of cornstarch. So I used a 1/4 cup of conditioner, and I started with only a 1/4 cup of cornstarch because you add more as you go on. You start mixing them together into a bowl. And at first, the dough is going to be quite liquidy, so you'll have to add more cornstarch to thicken it up. This is what it'll look like with just a 1/4 cup of each. See how that's way too wet? We're going to add some more cornstarch, and then it'll be much thicker, and you can mold it into a dough. You can also add food coloring if you'd like to make it a little bit brighter. Then you can use your dough to model all different types of shapes, and it's easy to store. Just use a plastic bag. I hope you had fun making this modeling dough, and I'll see you all next time.